hit that notification bell to never miss a video from TechWinGaming.
Hello YouTube, Sam is here guys. In this video I will show you how you can get MovieBox plus 4.0.2, the latest version, for free guys, with and without jailbreak. Both methods, no computer required for this. Supports iOS 10, 11 to 11.3 for iPhone, iPod and iPad. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's just jump in. So this method is for the non-jailbroken, so just go to Safari, then go to to.app.com. The link is mentioned as always in the description. Make sure to open the link in Safari, not the YouTube application. Once it's open, make sure to click on download now, green button there, and make sure the regular tab is selected. This is the default one. Just click on immediate. You will get the pop-up. Just tap on install and it will begin to install it on your device. Once it's done, you need to go to settings, then general, then scroll down, go to profiles and device management. All of us just tap on that, tap on the profile, tap on trust again, and it will be installed and it will be verified. So now open up To app. This is the old good To app. So just tap on search and you can type in MovieBox there. There we go guys, MovieBox is the latest version, as you guys see, 4.0.2, the latest one. You will get the get button here. Just tap on that and it will begin to install that on your device. Once it's done, you need to follow the same procedure to trust the application. Just go to settings, then all the way to general, then scroll down, go to profiles and device management, all device, just tap on that and then you will see the profile here. Just tap on that, tap on trust, and you are good to go. You will get the MovieBox latest version. So yeah guys, that's the method for those who are not jailbroken. So this method is for the jailbroken devices. Just tap on Cydia, open up Cydia. Once Cydia is open, just go to sources and make sure all the sources are loaded. Once they are loaded, you need to add a source, which is cydia.themes.com/repo. This one you need to just tap on edit and then add this repo, which is mentioned down below in the description. And then you need to go to search and you want to type in MovieBox. There we go, MovieBox 4, and as you guys see, MovieBox 4 4.0.2. this is the latest version. You need to install this one. Just tap on install. You will get, I already installed this. You just have to, you will get install button here. Just tap on that and it will begin to install it on your device. So once it's done, you will see MovieBox on your home screen. Just open it up. Now this is one of my great applications for watching movies and TV shows and getting updates of the new movies. As you guys see, we got all of the good latest movies here. Just tap on these three lines and you will get the TV shows section here. So this is a really great application guys. You can download the movies and you can watch them later, and you can also watch them in full HD. That is beautiful. And you can also turn on the subtitles as well. That is pretty cool guys. So yeah guys, that's a quick update video on how we can get MovieBox 4.0.2 latest version for free for both jailbroken and non-jailbroken users. That's pretty much it for this video guys. If you like this video, please be sure to smash that like button down there. That is important for me. And make sure to comment down in the comment section guys. Let me know if you have any issues regarding to this video, and make sure to subscribe, hit that subscribe button down there. Tons of new videos and content as always guys. Sam is here signing out.